Hello everyone, welcome back to Drive Your Logic. So today I am back with algebra tricks. I hope you can see what I am going to solve today. See, today I am going to solve this type of sum where the value of x plus 1 by x will be given. Okay, and then you have to find x square plus 1 by x square cube, then x is 4 by 1 by x is 4. In this way, you can continue as much as you want by following some trick. So let us start. First of all, you can see the value of x plus 1 by x is given. So by using this value, I'm going to solve first number 1, that is x square plus 1 by x square. It's very easy. You just have to follow the rules. Okay. So first one, what we will do, see, we need square, right? So I hope you all know now what is a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can arrange it in a square plus 2ab plus b square also, but here I will arrange in different way. So first we will do, I will square both the side. So whatever this is given, 5, 7, whatever, to find the first one, I need a square, right? So what I will do, I will square both the sides. Now see, a plus b whole square, formula is a square. You have to imagine x as a here and 1 by x as b here. So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square, that is our b is 1 by x, that square, plus 2 into a into b. Clear? Equals to 5 square, that is 25. So till here I hope it is easy for you all. Now this is a square, b square, 2ab. Now see, this is multiply, right? So we can cancel this one. So directly we are getting the first answer very easily, 1 by x square. What you will do, this plus 2, here plus 2, we will just directly subtract it from 25, because here it is plus. Once it goes to the other side of the equal to sign, it will become subtract. So minus 2, and then your answer is x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 23. Very easy. So this one is equals to 23. So I hope it is clear. Now to get the cube, what you need to do. First I will solve and show, and then I will tell you one trick. That is very easy trick. Yeah. So what you will do, I will solve it first. Okay. So let's do that one first. To get the cube, can I write in this way? X plus 1 by x and x square plus 1 by x square. Why? When you multiply x with x square, it will become x cube, right? 1 by x into 1 by x square, it will become this one. And the rest, what I am going to do, you just watch it. So x plus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square. And here also same value we will multiply. So 5 is for x plus 1 by x, it is already given here, and x square plus 1 by x square is 23, so we will multiply it here. Now just follow the step what I am doing. So first with x I will take, and I will multiply the full thing here. You can do it directly also, but then I am showing it stepwise so that you can understand. And here with 1 by, this is plus sign, 1 by x, I will multiply the whole thing again. And 5 into 23 is 115. 115. Yeah. Now what I am going to do, just multiply it. X into x square, x is cube, plus x into 1 is x, and down denominator we will write down as it is. Same, now I will open this bracket. So x square by x plus 1 by this x will be multiplied. So x here, x is 2 here, x is 3. This one will remain as it is. Now, just see this part. Can you see this part? What we will do here? This one, we can cancel. Correct? We can cancel this one and the whole part will be remain as x. So this one you cancel. So I can write down in this way. X is cube plus in this part 1 by x is remaining. And from this part, what is remaining? Only x plus 1 by x is cube equals to 115. Now, see, just this portion, x plus 1 by x, or 1 by x plus x, same thing. Can I write down the value as 5? Because we have already got this value. X plus 1 by x equals to 5. So, in place of this, if I write down 5 here and that plus 5, if I subtract it this side, won't I get this one? X is cube plus 1 by x is cube is equals to 115 and this value of 5 will be subtracted. So your answer will be 110. So your answer is 110. Very easily we have done it. Correct? Now, this is very easy process. You can do it directly also. How? Now, suppose you know that x is cube means you have to multiply this and this both. Right? So, can you do one thing? You just multiply if you want to do it mentally. So, 23 into 5, you get 115 and directly minus 5 you do it wherever you get the odd numbers. So, suppose this one, x is 5 by 1 by x is 5, it is here. We can do it directly. How? Now, we know 2 and 3 both. So, I'm going to solve and show you. I'm not going to solve in this way anymore. Because, see, all the odd part, you will get this part common. So, this part, wherever there is odd part, you will get this part common. So, I will show you. See, there x, when we have find this one, x is cube 1, we have multiplied this 2 because here it is 1, here it is 2. So 2 and 1 is 3. Now suppose I want to find x is 5 and x is 4. So what do we need? We need 2 and 3. So what we will do, I will not do any more step now. So I know now that if we use this two part, this one and this one, if we do this two part, so we will get the answer. Now directly what you will do? Write down x is 5 plus 1 by x is 5 and the magic here, you just have to remember two things when there is odd. This is odd 5. So what you will do? You multiply. This two you multiply 23 and 210. So when you multiply 23 and this one 110, what you get? You get 2530. So we will write down directly. If we multiply this 2, because here it is multiplied x square, this value is how much? 23. And this value is 110. And odd portion, always you will get multiplication. First you do multiply and subtract x plus 1 by x value. Because here also when you will multiply after cancellation, you will get this portion once again. You have seen the previous one when I have find this x cube plus 1 by x cube, this was extra. So what I did there, I have just multiplied 23 into 5 and then have subtracted 5 because the value is already 5. So here also directly what you will do, 23 into 110 is 2530 and you subtract 5. So directly you will get the answer as 2525. So your answer will be this one, 2525. Same way, x is 7 plus 1 by x is 7. So you will use 3 and 4's value. So you have to do stepwise, then it will be easy for you. So this is for the odd part, and for even, just use square. Now suppose I want to find x is 4 plus 1 by x is 4. So what I will do, I will square this one again. X is 2 plus 1 by x is 2. So let's do. Now suppose I want to find x is 4 plus 1 by x is 4. Very carefully you just see what I will do. I will do this way. X is 2 plus 1 by x is 2's whole square, and this one I will minus 2. Why minus 2? Let me solve this one and tell you. Then once you understand this one, you can do this also. This one will be easier for you. So what square you will do? X is cube plus 1 by x is cube square. You will get this one. So let me solve why I am doing minus 2. Suppose this one, when you solve, this is a square plus b square formula, right? So a square, a plus b whole square formula. So there you will get minus 2ab. So ab will be cancelled and you will get 1 plus ab. So that plus 2, it will go to the other side and minus. So let me do and you will understand. So x is 2 plus 1 by x is 2. So can you write down this one? X is 4 plus 1 by x is 4. That is a square plus b square. I have done directly. Plus 2 into x is 2 plus 1 by x is 2 equals to this side. This one's value was 23 square. So 23 square will be 529. So this one cancel. So x is 4 plus 1 by x is 4 will be square of this one. That is already done. 529 and minus 2. This plus 2 will come as minus 2. So directly you can do, right? So you don't have to solve this all part. But in school, in exam, you have to solve. But suppose for any competitive examination, you can do it directly by using this trick. So after subtracting, you get the answer, this one, 527. Correct? So x is 4 plus 1 by x is 4. Your value will be 527. Very easy. Now the last part, x is 6 plus 1 by x is 6. You can do it square of this one or directly if you want to solve. So let us do directly. Now directly I am going to solve. X is 6 plus 1 by x is 6. I am not going to do those steps now. Suppose I want to do directly. So what I will do? I will do x is cube plus 1 by x is cube whole square, because it is a even number, and minus 2. Directly even number means minus 2, and when there is odd number, you just multiply the value and subtract the given number which is already given. X plus 1 by x will be given always. Okay, one value will be always given. So when there is odd, it is much easier. You just multiply both the value and subtract the given number. And when it is square, just whatever square you will do. Suppose I am doing here square, so directly I am getting the answer, right? So this value is already given. X is cube plus 1 by x is cube value is 110. So my value will be 110 whole square minus 2. So 110 whole square is how much? 12100 minus 2. So your answer will be 12098. 12098. So very easily you got the answer, 12098. This is your value. So very easy process. If you want to find x is 8 plus 1 by x is 8, what you will do? You will square this one, right? Now I want to find x is 7 plus 1 by x is 7. So what I will do? X is 7 means I need to use this two value, 3 and 4. So 3 and 4, what you can do? Let me show. Now to find x is 7 plus 1 by x is 7, what two things I need? I need x is 3 plus 1 by x is 3 multiply with x is 4 plus 1 by x is 4. Now solving this part, it will take long time, so no need of going for that. You just multiply the product of these two. So what is there? This one is 110 multiply with 527. And what you will do? After subtracting this one, that extra part, because this is odd number, that value 5. Odd number means product and minus 5. Even number means the square and minus 2. So that is the trick for today. So you just multiply these two and you will get the value, and then you subtract the answer. So your answer will be 5, 7, 9. It will come 7, 0, but then minus 5. So it will be 6, 5. Directly I am doing. When you multiply these two, you will get 57970, correct? And then minus 5, you will get answer 57965. So that's your answer. And to get the value of excess 8 plus 1 by excess 8, this is even number. So I need the square of this one. So square of 527. So square of 527 is 527 square minus 2 for even number. So 527 square is 277729. So 277729 minus 2, and your final answer will be 277727. Yeah, so that's your answer. Keep on doing this one. You can find excess 9 plus 1 by excess 9. It's very easy. Just you need to follow the trick. Once you get this value and the first value, then one by one after one, you can find any values. Just you have to remember the trick. So let me just write down the trick once again. To get the even value, you just write down this one. Even value means you have to find the square of the given number. Suppose you want to find the square x to the power 2, so you will square this number. So you just write down square. Square the given number and then subtract 2 from it. So what is square? I hope you all can do. Once you get this one square, like this one, first one if you want to find. So square the given number, that is 25. 25 minus 2, 23. So directly you will get x square plus 1 by x square. So square this one. 25 into 5 is 25 minus 2. So x square plus 1 by x square value is 23. Yeah. And then again, if you want to find x is 4 plus 1 by x is 4. So what you will do? Square x is 2 plus 1 by x is 2's value. That is 23 square. 23 square is, you will get it 529 and subtract 2 from it. So 527, easy. And for odd number, you need to use x plus 1 by x plus the next value you need. Okay, the second value you need, and second value also orally you have done it. No, 5 square minus 2, that is 20. 5 square is 25, so 23. So it is very easy. Now you use this two value, 5 into 23. You do 5 into 23, 115, and then subtract 5. So what you will do? Product minus 5. Yeah. So that's all for today. I hope it is very easy. Don't get nervous. Many people just get nervous by seeing the sum. My God, you are getting x plus 1 by x equals to 5. Then you have to find so many things. It's very easy. Just use this concept. Just once you get one value and the second x square plus 1 by x square, then you can keep finding all the values. Okay. So thank you for today. Keep watching my videos, and if you like my video, don't forget to give a like and subscribe my channel. Ta-da!